Good morning. Today we are going to see how to create a user categories. This is a very useful concept to control how to create passwords and their expiry dates, everything using these user categories. Normally, we'll get one default user category, like default. In that, we have uh, how to generate that username. Suppose I want to create a user. So how would we generate? It's suppose I have given name like username like first name and last name. It will create okay with for example Shekhar is first name and Paina is last name. So that it will create with Shekhar Paina. Okay. So this is a password policy. Like days, it will that password will be up to available of 90 days. It will give warning before after expiring 80 days. So this is the notification. So how will you send the notifications for forgot username and password? Is all like to create a new account or to if you forgot the username, how will how will send that notification? All this will be given in notification preferences. Okay. So suppose now I will try to default. I have like I created like EBS techniques. So this is I created EBS techniques. In that I will try to I'll edit it. Mm, but so now what I will change to um, email. Then I will save and close. Okay. So now I will try to create one user ID. User. For that I will switch over to user. Add user account. So on default is there. Now I'm taking EBS techniques. Now, so now when I take EBS techniques, automatically email is mandatory, became mandatory. EBS is not there. Suppose I am taking like um, okay. Like now, so Vijay Baina is username. Shekhar.Baina at gmail.com. This is mandatory. So now as soon as change to the Shekhar.Baina, username became Shekhar.Baina, gmail.com. Right. Yeah. Like giving some password. Okay. Like that, we can change the format. Suppose because the username must be like with the email ID. So now we have to change the user categories and have to make it username like will use Shaker with the Gmail with the email account. Okay. So this is very useful to how to control that passwords and how to control the notifications. So everything from that like user categories. Okay. So these are another useful concept. So it will come if you have any, if you have IT security manager role, then only this form will be appear. Otherwise, it won't appear. So if you have the role of IT security manager role, then only this form will be appear. So if you have any doubts in creating usernames and the categories, user categories, and please drop a mail. Oh, sorry, drop a mail or to this mail ID or otherwise, you can ping me on YouTube comment section. Okay. So that's the thing. So Have a nice day. Bye bye.